Okay, I'm going to demonstrate moving one number from one register into the other register. So the first step is to get this onto the bus. So to do that, we have to enable the output on our line driver. It's on the bus. Next thing is to enable the input on the other register. So it's active low, we'll throw it low. Now we just pulse the clock. And disable the output on the other register. Actually, first we disable the input on this register. Then we disable the output. Then we clear this register. And that is a register transfer. Pretty dang cool. Get some strobes. Oh yeah. Heck yeah.